Let's create this 3D text emblem effect using Affinity Designer. First, write your text and make it bold. Select the text and click on the warp group icon located at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then, select the Arc Horizontal Warp. Using the Value slider under the toolbar, we can change the curvature of the warp. For this effect, I'll set it to around 30%. Now, convert the text to curves. You'll see all the letters are converted into individual curves inside the group. Select all the letters and click on the Add icon to combine them into one vector shape. Move this curves layer out of the group layers by ungrouping. Next, we need a reference line, so turn on rulers by pressing Ctrl+R. Using the mouse, click and drag from the top ruler to create a reference line. Place this line under the text. Apply the quad warp to the text curves layer. Now drag the bottom nodes of the warp group diagonally so that the start and end points of the letters touch the reference line like this. You might need to adjust this a bit. Convert the warped letters to curves and ungroup them again. Now, create a duplicate of the curves layer. Change the color of the top curve to white and the color of the bottom curve to black. Select the bottom curve and choose the contour tool. You can drag with the mouse to create an outline, but I'll use the radius field to adjust the contour. For this effect, I'll use a radius of 20 pixels. Change the contour type to miter. Finally, click on the Bake Appearance button to convert it into a curve. Let's remove the reference line. You might see some uneven ridges in this outline curve. Simply remove them using the Node tool. Now, select this black curve layer and press Enter to open the Power Duplicate tab. In the vertical field, enter 10 pixels, and in the Scale tab, enter 95%. Check the Duplicate checkbox, then add 5 copies. Click OK to finalize the changes. Select all the curves except the white one on the top, and combine them into one shape. Then, remove any angular ridges using the Node tool one by one. Finally, change the colors as desired, and you'll have a nice 3D text emblem effect. But we're not done yet. Let's make the white text part transparent. To achieve this, select both shapes and click on the subtract icon in the toolbar. Now you'll get a nice transparency effect on the text. What about making a bordered 3D emblem effect? No worries. Select the extruded curve layer and remove the fill. Oops, I can't see anything. Let's change the fill color of the main text. Add a stroke color to the extruded curve layer. Open the Stroke tab and increase the stroke width. You'll see the stroke joints are circular. Choose the miter option to make them sharp. Align the stroke to the outside so it only expands outside the extruded area. When we try to resize, you'll notice the stroke width doesn't resize with the shape. To fix this, check the Scale with Object box in the Stroke tab. Now, if you resize, the stroke width will adjust according to the text size. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating a 3D text emblem effect in Affinity Designer. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more design tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or requests for future videos. See you in the next one.